People use social media to post interesting stories. Here is the development of an interesting story. We have a dead tree in a convertible about to be brought back to the store.
Dead. Jerry. Au revoir.
And then you have a real tree arriving home, safe and sound. I guess a switch was made. So we post things like this on Facebook just to either make people laugh, in this case, or to share information. So were they happy to give you a replacement tree?
Said, that's too bad. I thought it was going to make it. He said, well, it didn't. Because, well, pick another tree. So I picked another tree. Tree replacement. It's some flower pot, huh?